If you've been following us, you know we're converting this barn into a barndominium. We did a lot of stuff today. Check it out. Hey, can we go in the house now, Coda? Coda, can we go in the house? We're getting some work done today. We're doing the walls. We're tightening it up, putting some trim in there. We're getting the airflow from not coming in, and we're working on some drains. So we're raising this door for the concrete floor. Putting up the Tyvek. So we're gonna get a driveway. They're gonna do a drainage system. Right now they got rid of all those rocks. They're gonna get rid of all those rocks. And they're putting them over there. So when the water comes down, it'll be like a splash guard for the water to hit the rocks so it doesn't erode the hillside. Okay, so they put gravel all down here because the concrete floor is gonna be done next week. It's like they got all the drains in. We started to Tyvek that wall. We lifted this door up for the concrete. And we started to cut out, well, we did cut out the whole side of the staircase so we can Tyvek and fur this part out. And other than that, then we're gonna be getting a gravel drive put in all the way up there. Do a lot of these little spacers on the wall because in between the board and batten, you can see light coming through. They did all the drains for the plumbing. We got gravel on the floor. So next we're gonna have the guy come in and pour the concrete, which is gonna be radiant heating. We'll finish up the Tyvek, and then we're gonna fur it out with 2x6s. And then we can have other people come in, like the electrician, the insulation. Then we get more plumbing done with the water coming in. And then out here, we had a huge rock pile there. They got rid of that and they put it all over there. We had a huge rock pile there. They put that all over there because what they're gonna do is they're gonna put in a gravel road and then a drainage system alongside of it that will pour out into there, and the rocks will act as like a splash guard. So, hey, all in all, it was a pretty good day. So guys, we usually do videos on off-grid living, homesteading, converting the barn into a barndominium. Eventually, we're gonna start a glamping business. We're gonna build a sauna. We're gonna start doing overlanding with our truck in the spring and also do product reviews. So if you like that kind of stuff, we appreciate it if you subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, just go like this, ding, and then give us a little thumbs up, ding, because we're trying to monetize this channel. Guys, we really appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. Ready? Tina, go get it. Good boy. Good job. Homestead Overland, Virginia.